Hey guys, it is Reverend Reagan, and I've been talking about for a while doing some videos with our Airstream and some of the things we've done to it since we bought it last spring. Some of the things we love about it, you know, because we are a little obsessed with our 1986 Airstream Excella. And you can tell because I'm the dork that has the sweatshirt even. So, what I want to do to kind of kick that off is give you a walkthrough of what our Airstream Stella looked like when we were working on renovating it. So we bought it in March or April, in the spring during the pandemic, and bought it up in the Quad Cities of Illinois. Went up 6 hours, bought it in the pouring rain, and towed it home that night. And we thought, okay, it was in great shape, you know, all original, but really well taken care of, but old, you know, 35 years old. And they had even updated the carpet and done some things to it over time, and so it really was in decent shape, but not what we wanted the way it was. And lucky for us, I guess, that first stimulus check came the next day. And so what became, you know, we went from, hey, we'll pull up the carpet, put down different flooring, and maybe we'll paint and do a couple things, became, we're going to do everything on the inside. And so that's really what we did. In about 3 weeks, we completely changed the inside of the camper and made it really campable then. And we were able to use it a few times last year. We've already used it a couple times so far this year, and just got back from a weekend camping in it this past weekend. And we're continuing to do projects because it's not completed, it's not finished. But I want to show you how we looked at it when we very first got it and tore everything out and said, okay, what are we going to do? And I took a video for my family and walked through what it would look like when it was all done. So check this out. All right, here we go. We're going to give you a quick tour of the Airstream from the inside. So you step in the front door, and right in front of us is a little end table. Right here in the end cap is, well, those are car batteries and a power converter, but it's going to be our L-shaped couch that goes there and folds out to a full-size bed. And so you can see the panorama windows that are there, and most importantly, you can see our, oh, I can't open it. It's a cassette tape deck. Anyway, we've got a little work to do on the subfloor there, so I've got my flooring to do that. But this is gonna be our main living space couch area, and where two of the boys can sleep. We've got our little end table. Katie is sitting in our dinette, which is in pieces, because we're painting all of the woodwork this nice gray color, and all of this ceiling and walls we're painting white. So Katie's sitting in the dinette. We have a table there. It folds down into a nice sized bed, twin size bed as well. And so we're going to replace the actual table itself with butcher block, but the hardware is all original. Some more windows and some more space. Those have doors that fold up. On the left side is our kitchen. You can see the original stove and oven still works, or so they told us. We'll be replacing all of this countertop with butcher block as well. And then we've got a single basin sink that we'll put in there also. And we've got some nice blue and white and yellow tile that's gonna backsplash this whole area. That is a microwave from 1986, and we're gonna rock it as long as we can. Over here, we're going to make this back wall of the dinette into what looks like reclaimed wood made out of pallets. So we're gonna do all that. The boys are gonna help us do that. This is our new fridge, new old, close to probably original fridge. It needs some cleaning, but it's cold and it works, and it's gas and electric, which was not in here when we got it. So for the price, I'll take it. More storage, tons of storage in here. So then you look down the hallway and you see the bedroom at the end. So on the left is this giant closet, and I realize I say giant, but it's a camper. So for a camper, this is a giant closet. Cedar line to keep bugs away or whatever, moths out of there. Painting all that gray as well. On the right side, we have this little slidey door to the bathroom. We're gonna replace that with a sliding barn door made out of pallet wood as well. And then in this beautiful 1986 bathroom,
check out that makeup mirror.
This incredible makeup mirror. Yes, that is right. And it's all like waterproof wallpaper-ish panels. So it's actually a really big shower. And so we are just painting all of this white with appliance epoxy. And then we'll either replace this light or repurpose it somehow. We are going to paint these cabinets just like the others, and then butcher block the top and new sink and faucet, and the toilet. I ordered a new toilet the night we got home. I have a little bit of subfloor work to do back here, but it's actually not that bad. So that's the bathroom, and again, that'll be a barn door that slides there. And then you look into our bedroom, and this is the thing that we love, is this second door, which is really rare on these, or at least we haven't seen very many of them. We've got this little end table, which would have fit a 19-inch Zenith giant, maybe Quasar television. We're gonna, again, butcher block that, paint. All the cabinets are gonna be the same gray color. We're painting, that's what the front looked like. We're painting all that white. We're not back here yet. And then our double bed is here. We've got a new mattress, memory foam mattress coming. All this will be painted white as well. And then this will be butcher block to the back, but then this back side, that whole thing, top and side, is gonna be like our headboard, and we're gonna do that with pallet wood, stained into multiple things to look like reclaimed wood as well. So we'll have our bed with that kind of headboard looking pallet wood. Then we've got the butcher block counter, lots more storage there, drawers and stuff, and our little TV stand here that we'll do as well. So that's the plan. We are making a lot of progress. We didn't do a lot today because we went to Ryan and Jenny's and played on his new basketball hoop. So not much happening today, but Katie got a bunch painted, and I got some holes filled, and now I gotta go put a church service together. So we wanted to show you what it actually looks like as you make your way through the camper. Also, does anybody need any shotgun shells? Because those were in here when we got it. So weird. I won't tell you some of the other stuff that was in here. Anyway, that's the Airstream. We call her Stella. See you later. So in our next video, Katie and I will give you a walkthrough of Stella as she is right now. And I've got several projects that we're still working on. We did, the basics, which ultimately was leaving the layout the way it was, using the current cabinets and the current walls and setups and the skins and everything else, and just painting and refreshing it all. So new countertops, everything that was material, any cloth or material was gone, new couch, all butcher block everywhere, and painted the skins and all that kind of stuff. Now we're doing kind of smaller projects. Just put in a skylight and a new Max Air fan, some new LED lighting, and then a couple big projects like we're going to add a second air conditioner and move the current air conditioner, and we're going to do some things like that, as well as working on a little different configuration in the shower. So that's where we're at right now. Like I said, next video we will give you a walkthrough and show you how Stella is right now and how we're camping in her currently. And then we'll bring you along as we do some of these projects with the help of some friends that are better than I am at doing some of this stuff. We'll take some videos, we'll show you how to do some things probably wrong, but we'll figure it out along the way. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a good one. 'Cause I will run 100 miles